letter to you, though you told me not to come. There's nothing left in that northern land that took from me my son. I'm poor here too, a slave to tax, 30 shillings just to claim. A month of heat and dust and sweat, the government's to blame. You'd never dream a place so dry, tinderbox all round. But a man can dig and pan and work, there's riches to be found. The natives think that we are mad, they think a man a fool. To dig this golden metal is too soft for any tool. God made this land, test the faithful, maybe there's something more. There are rebels here and freedom too, riches in all. A letter came, passed to my claim, is worn by many hands. A rumor on the evening wind, a new tax on our lands. Double license, double fee, that's 16 now per moon. The traps are out, but a meeting's called, and it comes none too soon. God made this land to test the faithful, you live by what you earn. There's a hub down there at Forest Creek, and the wheel is set to turn.